I'm with Mama Governale. We got shrimp, we got lobster, we got
mussels, we got clams, everything.
Okay, let's start off with the seafood broth. 1 bulb of garlic chopped, each clove in half, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, and a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. Let that saute until the garlic is golden brown. Then add in a half a cup of Pinot Grigio on medium heat and 3 bottles of clam juice, 8 ounces per bottle. Throw in 1 stick of butter and let it simmer on medium-low. Add salt and pepper to taste, 2 cans of minced clams, and a half a cup of chopped parsley. Give it a good stir, and when it's nice and flagrant, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for about another 10 minutes. Take your lobster tails, 15 lobster tails, 4 ounces per tail, cut them in half, and clean them. Throw those tails in a tin, sprinkle it with a little Pinot Grigio, a nice sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. Take those beautiful lobster tails and throw them in the oven, 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move on to our clams and mussels. Same process, a sprinkle of Pinot Grigio, a sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Throw that in the oven as well, 350 until all the clam shells and the mussels open. It's a total of 2 dozen clams, 2 dozen mussels, 2 pounds of shrimp, and 3 pounds of linguine, which you'll boil al dente and then combine with the seafood. Once the lobster is done, take it out of the oven and take that beautiful garlic butter, Pinot Grigio broth, and pour it over all of those lobster tails. But reserve some of the broth for the pasta as well. Combine it all together, and it's absolutely delicious.
I'm with Mama Governale. We got shrimp, we got lobster, we got
Mussels, we got clams, everything. We got the 7 fishes.
Let's get a zoom in on this. Let's see what we're doing here.
Trust me, you are going to love this. Delicious seafood pasta, perfect for a family of 5 or for a big feast.
Enjoy.